It's time for spring cleaning, and this tool is a great part of it. It sucks and it blows. I know we're all snacking around our workspaces, but now that we're into spring cleaning, it's time to clean them up. You don't want to use this. You want to be more precise and delicate and use something like this. So the folks at Hodo came up with this. Now this is a great tool for cleaning around the crevices, the places you can't usually get to around your computer or your keyboard. This attaches very nicely onto here, where you can easily brush your keyboard keys. Now this little item, let's take a beach ball. We put on the inflator nozzle, and in about a minute, you're inflated. Another ritual I go through in spring cleaning is I go through every one of my media cards. I go in, I format, make sure that they are all clean in both slots, 1 and 2. Format away. Of course, calibrating my monitors is also one of my key cleanups. Thankfully, Data Color gives me a reminder every month to make sure my calibrations are correct, because nothing lasts forever. One of my other pieces of software that I really like and do a regular cleanup is CleanMyMac. And I go through a junk cleanup on a regular basis. Spring cleaning ain't the only time. I do make sure that all my files are backed up, all my RAIDs are backed up. So I go to BackBlaze. It's a $99 a year subscription. And right now I have about 26 terabytes on the cloud. Now on the vacuum side, this actually fits perfectly into those Ziploc vacuum bags. All ready for packing. This thing is small enough to fit into your luggage. Those are just some of my cleanup tips, and then we get into the camera bag. 20 years ago, I started a series called What's in the Bag. Do you think it's time for me to do one? So I hope you're motivated to clean up your workspace, because you know, once your workspace is clean, so is the rest of your work.